There we go. All tore out, all cleaned up. Now we're getting to reframe this outside edge so we can get it all leveled up as close as we can. It's not going to be perfect. We're going to get it as best we can. We'll run a string line down through here. But first of all, we are shoring up our 1-bys that run down through here. And I'm going to get my number from right there. Get my number from right there. Hey, we got some extra trim, Paul. Left it up in the attic for us. All right, let me get a number. All of this gets covered with metal. We're going to cover this with aluminum metal, just like what they have here. And we'll pin this up where it goes after we get all the plywood installed in place. That'll get all pinned up nice and straight all the way down through there, and then we'll have a brand new box. Our metal will go up under this. It doesn't even matter. Our metal can go to here. It won't even matter because we are coming out with this 3.5 inches, two 2x4s. And then we're gonna roll our metal down and over and back to the siding. So as long as we have metal past anywhere it's past this point here, it's fine. This can be open, but we're not gonna make it that way. We're gonna make it just come up to here. We're not gonna bring our aluminum underneath this metal. We don't even wanna touch that metal with our aluminum. Yes, they did it all day long. That's what they do, but I don't have to do it, so I'm not going to. I'm just gonna cut me a straight piece from there to there and put it on there. Nice flat piece of metal. And we're gonna come over that with our fascia metal. It's gonna tie back into that again. So you'll see, if you keep watching my videos, you will see this finished product and you'll be impressed. I'm sure of it. If you're not, sorry, did my best. Anyways, everybody, we only had 3 of us, so it wasn't really easy for me to videotape. And if the GoPro had been on my head, it would just been moving around all day long, driving you crazy and me crazy. Yeah, let's take 5 minutes, guys. We get all the metals on. We're ready to start gluing this thing down. That's how we finished our gable end out. One solid piece of metal all the way across. We put it in a small J channel, so make it nice and stiff across the bottom. And then we put our fascia metal over the top, and that closed that off really nice. Tell me that doesn't look so much better. These are the gable ends that we did. Now you've seen where we tore them all apart. Now we rebuilt them and put new metal up there and everything. So we got our 6-inch overhang. Use my rubber. I was hoping to show you all the way down. There we go. That looks so nice. 6-inch overhang on a mobile home. That's going to keep all this water from running down the side of the house like that. That's all that is water and the fact that there's not a lot of sunshine back here. Hopefully he's going to be able to get rid of all that stuff there and close that area in. This thing here, that should probably all go. It's junk. Everything about that window was done wrong, whoever did it. I mean, they just stuck some interior trim pieces around that thing. It's been leaking since day one, so it won't leak anymore after today because we're going to have that rubber on this thing. And check us out down here, this other gable end. Did it the same way. Like that. Look at that. I like it. Here it does make it look better. That piece there had a big wide piece. She wanted to know if we could keep that fascia just running the same all the way down through there and not making a jog in the roof. So we told her we'd figure it out, and that's what we actually ended up coming out with. And I think that's going to work out just fine. She's got overhang instead of being flush. Now she has some kind of an overhang that the water's not going to be running now down inside right down the side of the house. So looking better. I like it. All right, everybody, if you've been along for this journey, this mobile home roof, this one was not a how-to, basically just showing you what we're doing, how we're doing it. Not a how we are doing it, I shouldn't say. I'm not going through big details. I've had a lot of videos on my channel showing more details of how we do this. We're just showing you another one of the projects that we're working on. And we do have some crazy things to deal with on these mobile homes. You never know what you're going to run into. So you take them as they come and fix them as you get them. So anyways, we had a few issues with this one, of course, because we had this porch and the roof was not at the same level as the house. So we had a few issues there, which will come out in the turn bar. So that's not a big deal. This is one of our outside corners. This is basically how we end up finishing off our metal right here. We run a piece by. This front piece goes first, and then this one here goes over the top of it. And then we bend that piece right there around to kind of close that off. Then we'll probably bend this around a little bit too, just make that look a little bit prettier. But that's how we finish these off underneath. Turn bar every 2 feet, all the way down through. Anyways, we've got all the fascia metal on. So at this point, we're going to cut a piece of rubber for this bottom so that we can run our rubber over the top of it. So that's where we're at right now. And it is, what's today? Wednesday? Tuesday? Tuesday. Don't forget your lottery ticket for Tuesday. Pull this in some more with rivets. It'd be beautiful. Just gets a rivet here and a rivet there, or one rivet in the middle. Hold it real nice and tight. Tap that with a hammer right there, just to make that little curve go away. That'll be beautiful. Okay, slide it in there, Paul. It's all you, my brother. Okay. Yeah, you like it? You like that, Paul?
That's it, rest already.
You can get the rest?
Yeah, I can get the rest already.
Let's see in a minute. Hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
I'm just picking up trash, George. Loading up the trailer.
Huh? Stop that back? No. I had someone up on a job.
Yeah, we're just gonna put all the tools in the trailer.
part I want to see.
Last piece coming down.
Yeah, no way.
Don't worry about that little stuff.
My bad. I can't take my phone.
Don't worry about that little stuff.
Yeah.
Done. If you've been watching, you've seen this whole process happen. This is when we cut the rubber off and show what our work looks like when we're finished. The reveal. We love this part. Cut that rubber off, show the reveal. Finished look. This is ventilation. Both sides of them are ventilation. There's also ventilation at the other end. There's not a lot of ventilation in these old trailers. Everybody asks about ventilation on the roof. There's just not a lot of them. So yeah, I mean, we didn't take any out, so we're not going to add any in. But these holes here and here do go all the way through this house. Fascia looks the same that way.
Yeah, right.